What was that, Nathan?
What?
What'd you just say?
It's birthday time.
Yeah.
For Breedster.
Tastes like salt.
She's
No
recording
sugar.
that. What was that? Give me some of the salt again.
Salt. Hey,
I mean sugar.
That's got my sugar. What did you just like that for?
So to stick to it.
It's already wet, you retard. Where's mine?
It's on, right there. I need more sugar.
I'm beating both of
What?
you.
It's like a deer in headlights.
I don't think I had any sugar. Give me another one to drink it.
That was hilarious.
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Crap, I still didn't know.
We are entertaining each other. Ready? You gotta go slow.
I'm taking a sleepy pill.
I just lost all your stuff.
I got some energy pills if you want for school.
Energy.
I take them to work because I usually can't go to sleep because I start watching a movie. So then I don't go to sleep. So then I wake up really tired, so when I get to work, it's really like for working out. It gives you energy so you keep working out. So I take them. And I work so fast and hard. I'm like, no, it's not.
Bad for your heart.
Come on.
This is what I got tonight.
You don't have a heart?
He don't.
One of the guys that work with us,
You don't have a heart?
he's got a bad heart. Get that off. Me.
One of the guys that work with us. I thought he was going to say that.
What'd you say?
I thought Dad was about to say one of the guys that I work with don't have a heart.
Oh,
Because Brittany said I don't have a heart. Why do you keep going back and forth with that thing? I really don't. If I thought I was going to say with y'all, I would. Family, you know?
This dude's in his 40s.
Family, I would. No family, no. What'd you say? Goober?
He's in his aw.
40s? And you don't have a heart?
Real bad.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Hey, hook me up with some more sugar.
No, don't get that on me.
Thank you. It's so good. I don't want it. Dude.
Let me treat
I
you
did.
guys. Where am I going? Right here?
yes. Hey, happy birthday.
I do that at work.
They
all
could
the
have sang
time.
to me, you know.
I don't know if
We
they
would
did.
have told him.
Yeah, I gotta tell them. Yeah, why'd you bring it up? You really want them to. You wouldn't have said that.
But see, now they're going to give us another credit. They give you your stuff, didn't they?